Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. Is the microphone not working on your iPhone? Maybe people can't hear you during calls, Siri isn't responding to your voice, or voice recordings sound muffled or silent. This can happen due to dirt blocking the microphone, incorrect app permissions, Bluetooth interference, or even a software glitch. In this guide, I will show you several simple fixes you can try to get your iPhone microphone working again. The most common reason for microphone issues is dust or debris blocking the mic openings. Your iPhone actually has multiple microphones located at the bottom, near the rear camera, and near the earpiece. Use a soft brush, toothpick, or compressed air to gently clean the microphone holes. Make sure you remove any dirt, lint, or pocket debris that might be blocking them. After cleaning, try recording a voice memo or making a call to see if the microphone works again. Sometimes the microphone works fine, but an app doesn't have permission to access it. To check this, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security, then tap on Microphone. Make sure the app you are using has microphone access enabled. If the toggle is off, turn it on and test the microphone again. If your iPhone is connected to Bluetooth headphones or a car system, the microphone from that device might be used instead of your iPhone's mic. To check this, open the Settings app, tap on Bluetooth, and turn Bluetooth off temporarily. Now try using the microphone again to see if the issue is resolved. Some bulky or poorly designed screen protectors can block the microphone openings, especially near the bottom of the device. Remove your case and try recording audio again to see if that fixes the problem. A temporary software glitch can sometimes cause microphone issues. Simply restart your iPhone to refresh the system. After your device turns back on, test the microphone again. If the issue is caused by a software bug, updating iOS may help. To update your iPhone, open the Settings app, tap on General, then tap on Software Update and install any available updates. Updates often include bug fixes that resolve issues like microphone problems. If the microphone still isn't working, resetting your settings can help fix deeper system issues. To do this, open the Settings app, tap on General, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now tap on Reset and finally select Reset All Settings. This won't delete your data, but will reset things like Wi-Fi passwords and system settings. If none of these fixes work, your iPhone microphone might be physically damaged due to water exposure or impact. In that case, the best solution is to contact Apple support or visit an authorized repair center. These are some of the best ways to fix iPhone microphone not working issue. If one of these solutions work for you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching.